Hey guys, and welcome to the second tutorial in the Pygame Flappy board programming series. In this video, we will be making the pipes in Pygame. So let's just get started. So I'll make a comment making the pipes. So I'll type out pipe one underscore top is equals to Pygame dot raw dot rect on the screen. So we will put it on the screen, and the color will be green in color, and the dimensions will be pipe 1 underscore x, actually pipe 1 underscore top x, pipe 1 underscore top y, pipe underscore width, pipe underscore height. The reason why I just went with pipe width and pipe height is because like the pipe width and pipe height will be constant, like they'll be for same for the pipes, then we will do a random placement. So pipe underscore top x is equals to random dot random, and we want to place the pipe at a random position. So for now I'm just going to place it at a constant position. So I'll place it at yes 110, and pipe 1 underscore top y is equals to, and I'll just place it at 150, and pipe underscore width. So the width will be pretty less, so 30, and pipe underscore height will be 200. So now we have made the pipe. Command S and just run this code. Okay, so green is not defined. We forgot to define green. So green is equals to 0 to 55 0. So it will be kind of a light green color. So you can see we have a pipe, and yes, so we want this pipe to be kind of at the top. So let's just do that. So the pipe 1x will be 0. So if we set the pipe 1x as 0, it will be at the top. I'm sorry, not the x. The y should be set at 0. So you can see now it's at the top. Now what we will do is we will make it a random value. So type out random random and not random, and it will be from minus 150 to 0. So command S and run the file. So you can see right now it's such a small pipe, and if we run it again, you can see the dimensions are changing. So we know that it is working. I'm just going to set the pipe height at 300 and set this at minus 270 and 0. So I know it's working, so I'm not going to test it again. So now time to make the pot. Actually now move the pipes. So oh yeah, I will just set the pipe's velocity. So pipe underscore velocity, so it will be a constant velocity. And if we know the coordinate system, the if we move in the left hand side direction, it's a negative value, so negative 4. And over here what we do is we simply just subtract it from the pipe velocity, so like the thing we did for the plane. So pipe 1 top x um, plus equals pipe underscore velocity. So command let's see if it works. So you can see now the pipe is moving. Now let's just do some border checking for the pipes. So here, command C, border checking for the pipes. So if the x coordinate of the pipe, so if the pipe on top the x becomes less than 0 becomes greater than that, what I want to do is I simply want to make the pipe on top x. Just gonna do command V and set it like after this. So let me show it. So the width of the screen is 500. So I'm gonna set it at 570. Hit command S, so you will see what will happen now. So you can see now we have this pipe and it is moving. So I'm just going to, instead of 0, you could say there was some little glitch. I'll set it as minus 50. So the reason is the width of the pipe is 50 and it will like be a smooth transition. You can see the transition is pretty smooth, but we also want to make the x coordinate of the pipe random. So command C and command V is equals to random dot random. The height of the pipe was 300, so 270 at minus and 0. So now you will see that every time the pipe crosses, it will also get a kind of any kind of height. Okay, what was happening? I managed to glitch this. I think I'm just gonna make this 0 for now. We'll see what we want to do. Okay, I got it. We have to set the pipe. Why? And that I don't know why I did not get that. And I have to set this to negative 50. Command S and run the file. So you can see now it grabs any height. And yes, so we got that done. Very good. Alright. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to check the collision with this pipe. So I'm just going to show you how we can do that, because you might be kind of tense for that because it's pretty difficult, but it's very easy. So check for collisions with the pipes. So what I will do is, if board I'm not sorry player dot collide rect. So this is a function, this is kind of like the thing in Pygame which allows you to do built-in collisions. So that's why, and we want to check it with the pipe 1 top, the pipe 1 underscore top. So what do we want to do if the collision happens? Where we want to do time dot sleep for, let's just say 0.05 seconds, and then we simply want to break out of the loop. So that's what we want to do now. I'm just gonna see if we have imported time up top. There we go, we have. So now what I will do is I will just run the program, and I'm just gonna collide with this, and you can see it works. If it's not working, to debug it, you can just go and print collision. So you can just print that out, but we know it's working, so I'm not going to go ahead and do such stuff. But you can you can experiment if it's working or not in this way, just telling. So now what we need to do is we simply need to copy this line and paste it like about one more time, and this will be the bottom pipe. Now that we have done this much, it's going to be very easy. We just need to add like 2 pairs of pipes. So now we have the bottom pipe. In this video we are just going to be adding the first pair of pipes, and the second video we will add the second pair of pipes, because let me have a look if the video is okay. So we have already reached the 11-minute mark. So open up my VS Code. Let me have a look. And now what I will do is pipe 1 top X will be changed to pipe 1 bottom X. Pipe 1 top Y will be changed to pipe 1 bottom Y, and the pipe width and the pipe height will be the same. So over here in pipe width, pipe on top X, I'm sorry, I'll just hit Command C and Command V, and instead of top we just will modify this and make it bottom. I could have used classes and objects for this video series, but I thought that most of the people watching this would be probably beginners in Python, and if I would have used something as advanced as classes and objects, you guys would have probably not understood some of it. So then I decided to do it without it. So the X coordinate will be equal to the pipe 1 underscore top X, and the bottom. Now this will be a bit tricky, since in the PyM coordinate system it's a little bit weird. So what I will do is the bottommost coordinate for the pipe will be I'm just gonna go 670, and it will be 700, and I'm just gonna go something. I'm just taking 750. I'm sure it's not going to work, but I'm just going to test what is happening. Okay. Let me just run the program again. Okay, so it's that 750 is kind of like the topmost. So 670 is not going to work. So we need to start from 700 and go to the specific coordinate. So I will start from 700. Actually, not 700, 730, and I will go all the way to. Actually, I'm sorry. I will start at 500. And I will go all the way to 770. I'm sorry, 670. So I will Command S. Okay, I'm just going to rerun this, see if it is working. So there we go. So now we know that is working. Now I'm just going to move the second pipe also. So pipe 1 underscore bottom X plus equals pipe underscore velocity, and I am just going to take the border collision for the pipe, and I'm just going to do that, and I'm just going to copy paste it. That's a very good practice, it works very nicely. So instead of top we just need to make this bottom, and the bottom, it will be a bit different. the thing is, actually, you know what? No, it will not be different. Command S, and let's just hit Command V. I'm sorry. Okay. Why are the pipes disappearing? So let me have a look over here. Okay, I got it. That was pretty stupid. I have to set it at bottom, and I have to set it at bottom. Command S and run the file. Okay, so the top one is coming, but for some reason the bottom pipe is not coming. Okay, I am forgetting to do that. So 506.70. Sorry, copy these, go down, and simply paste it over here. So now I'm pretty sure we have fixed everything, and this should work. So you can see it is working. Very, very good. So now let's just check for the collisions between the bottom part. So if player dot collide rect, I'm pretty sure I did not spell it correctly. Yeah, dot collide rect. So if we collide rect with the pipe 1 underscore bottom, well, what we want to do is we just want to do time dot sleep for a 0.05 seconds, so just for a little bit, so the player can see it he collided, and then we simply want to break out of the loop. So you can see only with 86 lines of code, you have almost made the complete Flappy Bird game. So you can see how it is working. We have these pipes, and it is working pretty nicely. Let me just see if the collisions are working, and you can see it's very good. I'm just gonna increase it to 0.7 because the player is almost not seeing anything. So just for the sake of it, I'm just going to increase this value by a bit. Alright. So I think I'm just gonna do these other two pipes so we just complete the entire thing. So I'm just gonna do first pair of pipes, and I'm just going to go over here, making the second pair of pipes. So now I will simply copy, actually no, I will just copy the first one and paste it over here, and instead of pipe 1 top, it will become pipe 1 bottom. Actually no, I'm sorry, this will be top only, but this will be 2. I will simply copy 2 and will paste it over here, and paste it here, paste it here, and I will also, what I will do is now pipe 1 top X, pipe 1 top Y. I'll just copy that, paste it here, and instead of pipe 1 we will modify this to pipe 2. There we go. And instead of 110, the second pipe will be spawned at like a coordinate of 400, and there we go. So now what I will do is simply go down, and I'm simply going to take this, copy it, paste it down here, just do that, and pipe 1 will be changed to pipe 2, pipe 2, and pipe 2. There we go. So I will also just implement the collisions. I am doing a lot because I've already dealt with this. So if player dot collide rect, and it is with the pipe 2 underscore top, not pipe 22. Well, I'm just going to copy this entire piece of code, control C, sorry, command C, time dot sleep and break. So that's it for the second pipe on the top, and we just need to make okay, pipe 2 width is not defined. Okay, that was pretty stupid. The pipe width are constants and we don't need to change them. Command S, run the code file. Okay, and we simply just need to change the pipe. So command C, and I'm just gonna hit command V, and pipe 2, and there we go. So now we have the game. So now you can add more pipes and do whatever you want to do. Now I am leaving it as a challenge for you guys to make the last pipe. Anyone can easily do it. Like you can just take, actually let me just quickly show it to you. So you can just command C this and command V it, and instead of top you can just make this bottom and pipe to bottom. Pipe 2 and it will become pipe 2, and then you can just spawn a new pipe and you can do it by yourself. So that's it for today guys, for the entire series. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in another YouTube video.